In this video, we're going to talk about filtering in Excel. If you want to extract data based on a criteria, then you are supposed to use a filter. So the first thing that you need to understand is how fast to insert the filter. So I got my table here that is showing the product ID, the product name, product category ID, unit price, all the way up to reorder quantity. So if you want to filter this table, the first thing that we're supposed to do is inserting the filter. So to insert the filter, we are going to highlight all the table headers and then go to the top right where we got the sort and filter and click on the filter. So once you click on the filter, you're going to have a filter inserted in every table header. So you can see the filter here. It looks like a little drop down. And you can be able to filter data based on color or number or category. So let us look at the first instance where we are filtering data based on a number. I'm going to use product category ID to demonstrate this. So I'm clicking on the filter on product category ID, and then I only want to see numbers that are equal to 1. So I'm going to say a product category ID equal to 1, and then I click OK. In doing that, I will have only product names whose their product category ID is equals to 1. You can still filter based on our color, but before that, we need to clear this filter first. So clear filter from product ID. So to filter based on color, you're going to realize that our table is bunted. The use of the bunting is to increase visibility, especially when you're reading along the rows, across the rows. So if you want to only get the records or the rows that have no color, then what you're supposed to do is let me use the unit price and then go to filter by color. You can see we got two options. One is this light blue color, and the other one is no fill. So I'm going to choose no fill. When I choose no fill, you're going to realize that the records that I'm going to be shown are the records which have got no fill. Then we say to clear the filter, you need to click back on the filtered column and clear filter from unit price. So that is how we use a filter in Excel. There is some exercise that I have for you to try to cement the concept about filtering. That is index 1.3, going by the name filter exercise. So here are a list of questions that I want you to try, and we got the solution for that filter exercise here.